Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a Zoe Kravitz inspired braiding install. So if you want all the details on this look, then definitely keep watching. So today's video is in collaboration with Shake and Go Hair. If you're not familiar with Shake and Go, they are a very well-known brand. Their products are all throughout your local beauty supplies. But today I'm showing you guys their new Ibiza 100% virgin human bulk hair. And I have the natural wave in 18 inches. And so this hair also comes in other textures such as the Afro Kinky bulk and the deep bulk. Just really nice human hair for all of your braiding styles. And straight out the pack, this hair is extremely soft, tangle free, and just really nice to the touch. It has a lot of body and just a lot of movement. Another cool thing about this hair is that it can be dyed. So a lot of times when you do braiding styles, you're kind of stuck with whatever color that the store offers or whatever color that the brand offers. But with this hair, you can custom color it to whatever color you want. So right now I'm just bleaching the hair because I just want to show you guys how good this hair colors. I'm just using B12 bleaching powder and 40 volume developer, and I'm just going to do like a simple ombre on this hair. Please keep in mind that this is bulk hair, so when you do, or if you do decide to color it or bleach it, you want to make sure that you keep the hair tied up at the top. If you try to color it after untying it, it's going to be a mess. So this is bulk hair, it's no weft, it's just all loose hair. So you want to make sure that you color it, dye it, bleach it, wash it with it, whatever you need to do to it. Make sure you do it with the hair still tied up at the top. The entire bleaching process for this hair was about 30 minutes, and that's with me applying it and letting it sit. And this hair started to lift extremely fast. Like, I was so surprised at how well this hair colored. And this is how the hair looked after it's been bleached and washed and conditioned. As you guys can see, it bleached really well. So here is how my hair looks so far. This is actually my first time doing knotless box braids, so this won't be a tutorial, but I am going to walk you guys through the process of me installing them. Use a total of 5 pieces per braid. And to smooth out my parts, I am using the Shine and Jam edge control, which I use all the time when I do braiding styles. So I begin each braid by just braiding my natural hair down just a bit, and the first 2 pieces that I feed in are actually going to be 2 pieces of just regular Knotless braiding hair, and this is about the size that I use. So I just feed in that first piece. I'm not going to explain to you guys how to feed it in because honestly I'm not that advanced yet. So I braid that in, and then I take my next piece of regular braiding hair, and then I'm going to move on to the Ibiza hair. So I use about the same size of hair, and I feed in 3 pieces of the Ibiza. And so the reason I do this is because, as I mentioned, the Ibiza hair is really soft and it can be a bit challenging to braid with. Also, because my natural hair is more on the coarser side and this braiding hair is a little silkier, I like to do 2 pieces of just regular braiding hair just so it has a smooth transition between like my coarse roots down to the soft hair. So yeah, again, I use 5 pieces per braid, 2 pieces of Knotless braiding hair, and then 3 pieces of the Ibiza virgin hair. And so I do each braid about 3/4 down, and then I leave about 1/4 of the hair just loose, And because this hair is so soft, you're definitely going to need something to seal the ends with. So I'm just using nail glue, and once I get to the end, I just take a little nail glue and I put that at the bottom just to hold the hair in place and to keep it from unraveling. And that is it. So I will say that my braids are not perfect by any means, but the beauty of this style and the way that Zoe Kravitz actually wears her braids are never super neat. They're never really precise. It's always a really messy style. So I wasn't really tripping too much on being precise with my parts or even with my braids being super neat or uniform, because her hair is never super neat or uniform. So if you are like a fan of like the goddess braid type of styles, but you're a beginner braider, I think this is a perfect style for you to try because it doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, I'm just continuing. My braids are like a medium size. I did really boxy parts because I just really wanted it to be really kind of natural and effortless. And so here's how my hair looks once I'm finished with all of my braids. And then the final step is to wet the ends. So straight out the package, the hair looks very kind of blown out. And so I'm just going in with some water just to activate those curls and those waves. I'm also using some foam, and I'm just going to scrunch that into my hair and into the ends to just make those waves pop a little more. And to complete this style, I barely used a full 2 packs of hair. You get a lot of hair within 1 pack of the Ibiza hair. It comes in 2 bundles, and yeah, the packages are really full and it has a lot of hair in them. And so here is the final look. I think this hairstyle came out really cute. Overall, the Ibiza is quality hair, especially for braiding hair. It's hard to come by quality braiding hair. So yeah, if you are a fan of goddess braids or faux locks, goddess locks, I think this hair is going to be perfect for you. This hair can be purchased at your local beauty supply or online beauty supply stores. For beauty supply brands, I always recommend just going to Google and typing in the hair, and it'll pull up all the retailers that carry the hair. So again, this is the Ibiza Natural Virgin Human Bulk Hair. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you Shake and Go for this collaboration. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out this Ibiza hair. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.